Hello friends. Today's video is about best VPN. Let's see. Ipvanish is another great VPN option for surfing on the Tor browser. It supports unlimited simultaneous connections and uses OpenVPN Scramble for obfuscation. So, you can install it on all of your devices and no one will know you are using a VPN for additional protection. In terms of security, you also get a reliable kill switch, split tunneling feature and robust AES 256 encryption, all of which add an extra layer of protection when using the Tor browser. Ipvanish comes with a comprehensive suite of fundamental features like a kill switch, solid encryptions and support of various VPN protocols. Unfortunately, though, the desktop apps don't come with a split tunneling feature. Ipvanish is fast enough to support buffering-free streaming. The Ipvanish apps, desktop and mobile, look old-fashioned but are super easy to use even for VPN beginners. The Ipvanish VPN has a few hallmarks of one of the best VPN providers, like stellar speeds and laudable security. It's by and large a well-built VPN that's fast enough for casual browsing and for unblocking Netflix. NordVPN is one of the safest VPNs that money can buy. It also works perfectly with the Tor browser. What is Over VPN? Over VPN is an advanced technique VPN service providers offer to users in dire need of maximum security and privacy. It involves moving your data through a VPN server and then the Onion network before reaching its final destination. The Tor browser is the only browser with access to the Tor network. However, VPN service providers like NordVPN don't compel you to use Tor browser. You just need to connect to optimized Onion over VPN servers, and encrypted user traffic can move through the Tor network for added security. What is Double VPN? Double VPN is a security feature where a VPN service provider moves internet traffic through to separate VPN servers. Some other VPN services choose to call it multi-hop or double hop. It is an advanced feature that VPN consumers use mostly in high censorship areas or when they need to send highly confidential data. In the process of moving traffic through to servers before reaching the destination, VPNs encrypt data twice, making it extremely hard for hackers to read data in transit. This adds to the security layers already present in VPN software. What is P2P VPN? P2P VPN is a virtual private network that allows for the transfer of data from many sources, which provides faster and more efficient downloads. P2P VPN supports access to peer-to-peer networks. It works by creating a secure and encrypted tunnel that connects a device to a server. P2P VPN offers the necessary features that include unlimited bandwidth that will not slow down your download speeds and undermine the connections to multiple different sources. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe our channel. Videos like this will keep coming. That's why you subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next video.